Since the day I was born, I've been hearing that pigs can fly. But in all my life, me never see pigs actually riding on a motorbike. Until now. The thing is, I don't think they got the right motorbike for that pig, you know. This is the motorbike that they should have invested in.
Look at
one thing me know, pigs can swim. So if they had invested in this motorbike, the pig would have been able to swim away to safety.
Look
Just in case you are not a pig person and you can't get to ride on a bike with a pig like these lot, then make sure you invest in a portion of Grace tin mackerel.
Grace me a deal. Grace mackerel half pound of rice. So I tell them, you can take all my $800 buy blood clock steel, $900, and 19 of Grace.
Grace tin mackerel is the brand for you, just in case you don't like to eat pork.